Hi, how are you today? This video is a continuation of the previous one, which discusses curtain colors that complement and add style to the interior wall colors of a house. You can find the link to the previous video in the description or the top right corner of this video. In the previous video, we showcased curtain colors that pair well with white, gray, and green walls. In this video, we will continue exploring curtain colors that complement interiors with other wall colors, specifically blue, brown, yellow, and pink. Make sure not to skip this video and watch it until the end, as we will share valuable information for you.
The Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give your comments and likes.
We begin by selecting the perfect curtain color for the blue walls where it loved for their calming vibe, versatility, and timeless elegance, offering relaxation, focus, and a refreshing connection to nature. Blue wall with white curtain. White curtains offer a sleek, clean look, making any space feel modern and luxurious. They brighten and open up a room, adding a sense of spaciousness effortlessly. Cream curtains are suitable for blue walls. Cream curtains with blue walls create a soft, balanced ambience, blending warm and cool tones for a charming, harmonious finish. Gray curtains look good against blue walls. Gray curtains add a timeless, luxurious touch and pair beautifully with blue for a modern look. Light gray softens bold blue tones, creating a more inviting space. Seamless elegance as navy curtains complement blue walls. Navy blue curtains add a royal, elegant touch to any room. Paired with blue walls, they complement the space beautifully and help create a dark, cozy environment for restful sleep. Bold harmony as pink curtains complement blue walls. Pink curtains, such as blush or dusty pink, bring a soft, elegant vibe to the room. Paired with blue, they create a harmonious, contemporary feel that enhances the overall color scheme. Sunny elegance with yellow curtains and blue walls. Yellow curtains bring a vibrant, energetic touch to any room. Soft yellow offers a pleasant contrast, while pairing with blue walls creates a striking and refreshing look. Nature's touch with green curtains and blue walls. Green curtains, especially in shades like olive, hunter, or teal, complement blue walls beautifully. This combo creates a calming, refreshing vibe, perfect for a tranquil space. Soft contrast with beige curtains and blue walls. Beige curtains complement blue walls, adding an elegant yet cozy touch. They blend well with other colors, making them a versatile and soothing choice for any room. Warmth meets calm with brown curtains and blue walls. Brown curtains bring warmth and earthiness to blue walls, enhancing the room's atmosphere. Light to medium brown shades work especially well, offering a rich contrast without overpowering the space. Vibrant fusion of red curtains and blue walls. Red curtains make a bold, dramatic statement, perfect for creating striking contrast. Dark shades like burgundy or ruby add warmth and elegance. Use them as an accent feature to make a memorable impact. Brown on walls are warm, earthy color that creates a cozy, grounded atmosphere in interior spaces. It adds richness and sophistication while evoking a sense of stability. Here the best curtain color for this. Soft glow with warm white and brown walls. Soft white curtains contrast beautifully with brown walls, creating a cozy, inviting feel. They brighten the room with natural light and allow flexibility for adding textures and colors. Seamless harmony with brown tones and walls. Opt for curtains in the same shade as your walls, but for brown, explore various tones. To avoid a dull look, choose textured or pleated styles. Lighter brown curtains offer subtle contrast while adding depth to the space. Chic contrast of charcoal gray and brown walls. Charcoal gray curtains offer a bold contrast to brown walls, adding depth and sophistication. Ideal for modern spaces, they create a cozy vibe, but balance with lighter accents to avoid a too dark look. Rich depth of deep purple against brown walls. Plum curtains bring luxury and warmth to brown walls, creating a cozy, sophisticated atmosphere. Pair with gold or silver accents for added glamour. Choosing curtains for yellow walls is intriguing, as the color temperature, spectrum, and intensity of the fabric can completely change the room's vibe. Let's explore how different curtain colors pair with yellow walls in various shades. Fresh contrast of green with yellow walls. Green shades, close to yellow on the color wheel, complement yellow walls perfectly. Light green, grassy, or pale cucumber curtains enhance muted yellows, while emerald and pistachio create a striking contrast with lemon-colored walls. Dynamic contrast of blue with yellow walls. A blue curtain and yellow walls create a bold contrast, with the warm yellow walls bringing energy and vibrancy to the room, while the blue curtain offers a calming, cool balance. This combination can evoke a cheerful, dynamic atmosphere, making the space feel both lively and inviting. Vibrant fusion of orange curtain with yellow walls. An orange curtain with yellow walls creates a warm, energetic vibe, blending two bright, complementary colors for a lively and inviting atmosphere. The combination adds vibrancy and a cheerful, sunlit feel to the room. Earthy warmth of brown curtain with yellow walls. A brown curtain with yellow walls creates a warm, earthy contrast, balancing the brightness of yellow with the rich, grounding tones of brown. This combination adds depth and warmth, creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere with a touch of sophistication. Bold energy of red curtains with yellow walls. Red curtains and yellow walls create a vibrant pairing, with rich red adding drama and yellow providing a cheerful backdrop. This bold combination exudes warmth and excitement, making it perfect for lively, creative spaces. Striking contrast of violet curtains with yellow walls. Violet curtains with yellow walls create a striking complementary contrast, blending the cool elegance and depth of violet with the warm brightness and energy of yellow. This bold pairing adds vibrancy and balance, creating a dynamic yet harmonious atmosphere. Pink walls add warmth, softness, and a calming touch, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. They work well in bedrooms or living spaces for a subtle, uplifting vibe. And here are the curtain color that work well with pink walls. Soft elegance of white curtains with pink walls. White curtains are versatile and pair well with any color, including pink. They keep the room fresh and allow the pink to stand out while creating space for other vibrant accents. Subtle charm of cream curtains with pink walls. Cream curtains complement pink walls beautifully, creating a cozy, flawless look. They work especially well with lighter pinks, adding brightness and making the space feel larger. Delicate blend of soft blue curtains with pink walls. For a contrasting look, try soft blue. This soft, pale blue complements light pink beautifully, creating a harmonious balance. Its subtle contrast with pink enhances the space without overpowering it, blending seamlessly with the walls. Fresh harmony of mint green curtains with pink walls. Mint is one green shade that pairs well with pink. Its light, refreshing tone adds a natural, airy feel to the space, similar to baby blue. Mint curtains are perfect for pink rooms in need of a touch of greenery. Warmth of light coral curtains with pink walls. For a smooth, cohesive look, light coral is a great choice. Its blend of pink with subtle yellow and orange tones offers just enough contrast to keep things interesting without feeling too repetitive. Gentle touch of soft purple curtains with pink walls. Soft purple curtains create a beautiful, subtle harmony with pink walls, adding elegance without overwhelming the space. This pink-purple blend offers a soft, chic vibe, making it the perfect choice for creating an Instagram-worthy room. Calm contrast of gray curtains with pink walls. Gray curtains can tone down the dominance of pink walls, offering a more balanced, neutral look. Their elegant touch complements the softness of pink, creating a refined contrast.